In this video, we're going to see a very simple trigonometric equation. The question says solve for x between 0 and 360 degrees, the equation sine x equals half. So to solve this equation, you just need to find the values of x for which the sine is half. So in this case, you're going to use sine inverse. You look for sine inverse half. Which angle has a sine equals half? So this is how we proceed. So ux, the angle, is sine inverse half. Then which angle has a sine half? You get x equals 30, and the other one is 180 minus 30. Remember, for sine equation, you always get on the period range interval from 0 to 360 two solutions. One of them you get it straight away from the calculator, for example. In this case, it's a special angle, you don't need a calculator. And the other one is using the rule 180 minus the angle you found. Okay, so this is your rule. The rule says if n is a solution to the sine equation, like 30 in this case, then 180 minus n is also a solution. So remember to include both solutions. The solution you get in the calculator, and then 180 minus the solution you got. Okay, now your two solutions are 30 and 150 are the solutions. Now make sure you check your two solutions are in the interval. 30 is between 0 and 360, so it's accepted. 150 is between 0 and 360, so it's accepted. So these are your two solutions. Okay. Why don't you try this one? Solve for x between 0 and 360, the equation 4 sine x equals minus 2. I advise you to pause this video, try to solve it, and then come back to resume and see the solution. Okay. Good. I hope you tried to solve it. Now the solution is this. First, you have to divide by 4 both sides. Okay, so when you divide by 4, in the first side you cancel the 4. So you get sine x equals minus 2 over 4. This simplifies to minus half. Then you get x equals sine inverse of minus half. Then check what is the angle that has a sine equals minus half. You can use the calculator sine inverse of minus half, and you get the value of x, one of the two values. So x equals, maybe you get minus 30 in your calculator. If you get minus 30, then you have to add a period to get a solution between 0 and 360. So I'm going to add the period of sine, which is 360. So this is equals exactly to 330 degrees. Okay, so this is my first solution, and it's accepted. Why it's accepted? Because it's between 0 and 360. The second solution, as we said, is 180 minus the solution you got, which is minus 30. This gives you 210 degrees, and it's accepted as well. So these are your two solutions for this problem, 330 and 210, and both of them are between 0 and 360, so both of them are accepted. Thank you very much, and come back to learn more equations.